Hello everyone, I am Elisabetta, and in this video you'll see how to connect your channels to Nembol. Welcome to this onboarding tutorial. First of all, open Nembol and go to the Channels tab at the top left corner. You'll see a green button that says Connect Channels. Just click it and choose the platform you use as your main channel. Now, you only need to follow the on-screen instructions. Sometimes you might be redirected to grant Nembol permission. However, once that's done, you'll be brought right back into the app, and your products will start importing automatically. If you'd like to connect more channels, just repeat the same steps we followed earlier. As you have seen, is very easy. In the next videos, you will see how to manage and publish your multi-channel products. If you need assistance, our customer support team is available during Central European Time business hours. Outside of these hours, our AI assistant is always available to help. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.